materials and components category is calling Aerospace STARLight.
Thank you very much. It's a huge honor for us. Awesome to see everybody here. Thank you very much for this honor, and we appreciate everybody. We are just excited. I mean, this opportunity for us to be able to show the new technologies and materials that we are producing within the advanced technology team at Collins is just, it's awesome. This is a great experience, and we're very excited to be winners. We see this as an opportunity for us to be able to integrate this technology into platforms, all of our products that we see throughout the cabin. It really just is a game changer in how we design our methodologies into design and what that means for our overall products in the future. An advanced structural technology that's changing the industry in a way that is about optimization and optimization.